Hi friends, welcome to today's episode of Amuse Your Friends. I'm back with another brand new puppet you can make with your fingers, this ant. A quick reminder, be sure to check out the channel to see tutorials on how to make lots of other animals, and subscribe for more animal puppets and other fun tricks to impress your friends. Now let's begin learning how to make this ant puppet. First, a quick note. This puppet is similar to the fox, shark, and swan puppets in that the puppet faces away from you instead of towards you. Again, my body is behind this blue wall. So when you're learning to make this ant, stand in front of a mirror. Okay, ready? Let's get started. First, have your two hands facing each other like you're about to clap your hands. Next, cross your two pointer fingers. These will be the eyes of the ant. Then, take your middle fingers and wrap them around your pointer fingers. After that, take your ring fingers and fold them in and tuck them away. Then, take your pinkies and wiggle them out. These are the mandible of the ant, kind of like the jaws of an ant. To make the antenna, take your thumbs and bend them up top. And there you have it. You've brought to life your very own ant puppet. You can use your imagination to pretend it's another bug too. That's completely up to you. You can wiggle the mandibles to pretend the ant is eating. If you're at the dinner table, you can use the mandibles to pick up food and snacks. Use this ant to creep out or scare your loved ones and friends. Share this video with them so they can learn how to make it too. Feel free to use the other animals from my channel to put on your very own puppet show. Don't worry, more animals are coming. And that concludes another tutorial. Again, if you haven't already, check out my other animal puppet videos and subscribe for more fun in the future. Till next time, keep on amusing your friends.